Okay, this is the first baby that's left the nest. I'm scared to death. It's not going to be okay. I think the mama was there with it trying to feed it, but the other ones are still up here. Let me do this so you can see. The other one, and they're walking all around, but they're about ready to fall out. So it looks like only 4 made it. Let's see. Hopefully Mama's going to come back for this one. I'm scared if I try to get him and put him back in the nest, it's going to scare the other ones away. If you can see that, it's kind of hard to see. It's my first little baby bluebird. He keeps looking up at the other ones. But it just doesn't look like it looks smaller than the other ones actually. So I think Mama was there trying to feed it. But I think it was ready to leave. Wait, let me move. I think Mama's up there. Mama bird's up there. Do like this because I think Mama bird saw me. Let me do like that. Let me come back for baby bird. Oh, let's see the mama going up to the other ones. But I think the mom came back for that one. I hope so. It looks too little. It doesn't look like it's ready to fly. I don't know what else to do. Oh my goodness. It just flew off. It flew off into the trees. Oh, that's my first baby bird. It's in the trees. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, I'm so scared. Look at the other ones. The other ones they just look bigger. Oh, so my first baby bird is out there in the tree somewhere. Oh, I hope it's okay. Now there's 3 up there. They got so big so fast. There goes Mom. Like I said, I started with 5. I don't know what happened to the 5th one, but then 4 have grown up, and I wish the lighting was better up there. You could see them. Oh, baby bird's out there. Can you see it? It's on the leaves. Oh shoot, let me get it right there. So there's baby bird out there in the tree, flapping around. At least he's in a tree with the leaves right there, if you see him flapping around. I hope Mom goes out there. Oh gosh. At least he's in the tree and not on the ground. When I came home, he was walking on the ground here on the patio. Oh, is he stuck? Oh no, baby bird just flew off and I don't know where. On my head. Where did baby bird go? baby bird went. No. See, there's one on the edge, like they're all ready to fly. So I don't know where baby bird went. I was hoping he would stay in the tree. Oh, Mom's back. Oops, hopefully she'll come back. There goes Mom. Oh, maybe Mom's looking for the other one. Oh, look at her. She looks like she's looking for the other one. The other one flew off. Go find it. Oh no, I think she knows. I think she knows another one. She's looking for the other one. Oh gosh, I think she knows. Oh, I think Mama Bird knew there was another one down there. That she's so smart.